How are you doing, folks? James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 191 BMW 2 Series 218i M Sport Coupe. Now this is the ethereal blue metallic paint finish. Up front you have the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper, the M Sport aerodynamic body kit. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the M Sport badging alongside, the shark fin aerial up top, the black trim surrounding the windows. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 218i badging, the rear parking sensors, the twin exhausts. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. Now let's take a look at some of the specs on board this 218i. Now that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice that is controlled by the BMW iDrive system. You have features such as enhanced Bluetooth communications, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, my vehicle, and many other extras. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish, fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. This car is also fitted with a keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, air conditioning. On board you also had the sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode, and eco pro mode. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 191 BMW 2 Series 218i M Sport Coupe. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.